This is Gazipur landfill site, and if you will see the hill, I just wanted to highlight two important components. What is the composition of this hill? What is the composition of this garbage? What is the composition of this landfill site? If you will see from this distance, you can see lot of plastic bags, lot of plastic is coming down from this hill. And if you will see in Delhi, 20 to 25% portion of the waste is plastic. So from where this plastic is coming? It is coming from every household. We are using plastic carry bags. We are using a material which is packed in the grocery shops and all places. So plastic is universal. It is becoming part of our life, and it is becoming part of our household, and all this plastic is coming here. Now what is the stand of the government? Government clearly says we don't want any ban or any limitation on production of the plastic. This is the statement which is given by Government of India in Global Plastic Treaty, which happened in Geneva last month. So India is not in favor of putting restrictions on plastic production. What is the understanding of the Government of India about the plastic is, if we will produce more and more plastic, our India will become more and more developed country. But that is not the case. Here you see the plastic, lot of plastic is there. 20% plastic is in this landfill site, and now it is becoming problematic for the municipal corporation to segregate this plastic. It is becoming problematic for the municipal corporation and all governments, because plastic segregation of the plastic, when you are dumping it together everything, and now after decades you are trying to segregate the plastic, it's very difficult task. So initially if you will just segregate only plastic, then this plastic will not come here, and 50% waste in Delhi is biodegradable in nature. So we can easily convert this waste into compost, and if we will 20% to 25% is plastic, which we can separate, then it will become very easy for us to recycle the plastic. So plastic is becoming a nuisance in Delhi, and government is not interested to putting ban on single use plastic or any kind of plastic. So this is the major problem. So as far as our organization, Society for Environment and Sustainable Development is concerned, we wanted to approach to Supreme Court of India, because there now for a couple of years the Supreme Court has put ban on the firecrackers. Likewise, if Supreme Court will put ban on the plastic, single use plastic, or limitation of the plastic, or polluter pay principle, whatever amount of plastic you are purchasing and using, that